In this video, I introduce Maxout Networks. Dropout improves deep neural networks by training a large ensemble of models. And the Maxout is applied to improve dropout's abilities to achieve the best performance. Given the input X, elements in Maxout hidden layer is computed using the maximum function here, where Z is a mapping of input X through matrix W and by its vector B. For example, if input X consists of 3 elements, we first define several kernels, and then now we use a first kernel to map input vector to output vector that includes Z11, Z12, and Z13. And the rest of kernels are used to map the input vector to the output vectors. In the general direction, so from Z11, we take the maximum value of Z11 to Z41 through the Maxout nonlinear activation function to generate hidden value H1. Similarly, we generate the hidden values H2 and H3. In a regular network, we can use dropout to train the network. First, we apply dropout binary mask onto each element in the network to train the network. Similarly, we can apply the dropout binary mask onto the input elements, and then we define a set of W and B for each hidden unit. And then we use W and B to map input vector to a hidden value Z11. If one Maxout unit includes 2 hidden units, and then we can use the Maxout nonlinear activation function from Z11, Z12 to calculate the hidden value H1. Similarly, we calculate the H2 in the second Maxout unit. And then we use H1 and H2 to predict the output. Maxout unit can be used in convolutional neural networks. For example, this is an input feature map, or we can apply dropout binary mask on the feature map, and then we define several kernels, and then we use the kernels to map this 3x3 region into the hidden values H11, H21, H31, H41. If one Maxout unit includes 2 hidden units, we can use the Maxout activation function to calculate the hidden value H1. That is the element in the Maxout feature map. Similarly, we take a maximum value of Z31 and Z41 to calculate the hidden value H2. That is the element in the second Maxout feature map. And then we can use this Maxout feature maps as an input to next Maxout layer. For more details, please check with these references. Thank you. Bye.